Hello, James Braithwaite here again. Nice cold, clear evening in Timperley, as you can see. But here we're having some hot fun in the back seat of my car. Well, we're drying it out, as you can see. I've tipped up this new back seat, you know, the one that I washed with non-bio liquid and water in my bathroom the other day, and it was getting my passengers a bit damp, even though I let it dry for about 3 or 4 days. But this is the thing I've resorted to. I've done this a couple of times before in other cars, so things are going to get hot in the back seat. Maybe this will be an omen for things to come. We can only hope, can't we? So here we are. That should be good for about an hour or so, and I'll check up on it later on. So here I am, signing off. Wish me luck anyway. See you soon.